AlN Substrate, the ultimate choice for semiconductor and electronics manufacturing. This high-performance material boasts excellent thermal conductivity, making it ideal for use as the substrate of chips and electronic components in microelectronics device manufacturing. Whether you're working with integrated circuits ICs, radio frequency RF devices, piezoelectric components, photoelectric components, sensors, or MEMS, the AlN Substrate can provide a stable support platform to ensure normal operation and peak performance.